Hello, my name is Katie Engel. I have worked in the healthcare industry since I was 22 and I'm currently 35. I've held several different positions within the healthcare field on the administration and business side. Currently, I work as a project coordinator, but I've worked with clinical integration work, provider and community relations work. I've worked as administrative assistant. I've worked at front desk in a medical office. I've done all kinds of different things throughout the medical field for what is that, about 13 years. It is where I want to be, it's what I enjoy doing. So the person that I chose to interview is actually a mentor and is currently also my mentor and boss. Her name is Crystal Harris, and she is the director of continuous improvement and information technology at the organization that I currently work for. So I've worked with her for about 3 years probably, and I work side by side with her on projects every day. I chose her because I really look up to her, and she actually helped me figure out kind of what my natural abilities could do as far as a career. And she invited me into this project management field, and she's sort of training me and getting me up to speed on a lot of the project management duties, and also helping me get certified. So I'm super excited about that. The questions that I asked her were basically, how did you get into project management and performance improvement? Are there specific characteristics that you look for when you're looking to hire a new person? What skills and background does an individual need to have to be successful in this field, performance improvement and project management field? Is there specific work experience that you look for when selecting a candidate for these types of positions? Do you recommend any specific classes or literature to assist in gaining knowledge necessary for qualifications? Do you think it's necessary to do you think it's necessary to have industry experience and knowledge to be successful? And what key challenges in performance improvement and project management work do you run into, and how do you address those challenges? So basically, Crystal got into project management. She went to college for healthcare administration, and in her last semester was a required internship where she was placed into a quality improvement department, and she got introduced to performance improvement and project management. She actually got her first director position when she was 26 years old, which is super impressive, at a hospital in Montana. She has a wealth of information and knowledge. So she states that she really doesn't look for necessarily people that are educated in the field. It's more of, she looks for process thinkers, analytical thinkers, because she feels like the rest of the skills needed can be taught, which is kind of what she's doing with me. She does think it is beneficial to have industry knowledge when working on projects and performance improvement. It definitely helps the individual be more successful with those. And the characteristics I talked about, the process thinker, skills and background, really she just said she just looks for people with natural abilities, and she teaches the rest. And specific work experience, again, she stated that she just looks for those natural abilities and works off of that. And as far as specific literature or classes to help qualification, she recommends being CAPM certified, PMP certified, and ASQ certified for Lean and Six Sigma, which I'm working toward all of those currently. And I know that I'm out of time, so let's see. I did, I've talked to Crystal a lot over the years regarding experience that we could get me to get me to a PMP certification. So, this experience does, it makes me feel good, but it's stuff that we've already talked about over the years. So it didn't really, it made me feel excited. And what I learned from this experience, I don't, I always appreciate hearing from her, what kind of classes or literature, reading, certifications that she would like me to get, and she helps me side by side to um, get the information that I need and to help drive me toward the success that I'm looking for. So I do appreciate that. And what do I plan to do differently to pursue? I feel like we're on a track of succession. I'm continuing, I'm just about done with my associate's degree, and then we'll start working on my CAPM certification and my Lean Six Sigma certification. So I'm just super excited about that. Anyways, thank you. Have a good day.